In order to represent a text in a computer, first of all we need to have a Unicode representation for each characters like A, B, C, question mark, full stop, etc. If you look at your keyboard, you will see many characters. Some printable characters like alphabets, digits, and punctuations, and some non-printable characters also known as control characters like the function key, control key, shift key, etc. The Unicode for each character needs to be standardized in order to facilitate information interchange. Say for example, character A needs to have the same code in all types of computer throughout the world, and it should not be distorted during communication via the internet. The most popular standardization for character encoding is ASCII, which stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. In ASCII, each character is assigned a unique number which is coded using a 7-bit binary code. Just have a look. ASCII code for capital A is decimal 65, which is equivalent to binary 10000001 or hexadecimal 41, which is equivalent to octal 101. In our subsequent lecture, we shall learn how to convert decimal to hexadecimal, decimal to octal, and vice versa. You may glance through this ASCII table to find the Unicode for the character of your interest. ASCII has a 7-bit binary code for each character, so it can represent 2 to the power 7 equivalent to 128 unique characters using ASCII. 128 symbols are not enough to cater all the symbols that is used worldwide. So, to accommodate codes of all living languages in the world, signs and symbols, codes for emojis, etc., Unicode Consortium had proposed the Unicode standard in 1991. The Unicode standard defines Unicode transformation formats UTF, UTF-8 having 8-bit long code, UTF-16 having 16-bit long code, and UTF-32 having 32-bit long code. The code for capital A in UTF-16 is still decimal 65, but it is represented using 16 bits. Just observe that the following 9 zeros are prefixed with ASCII code 10000001 to get UTF-16 code for the character capital A. UTF is backward compatible with ASCII, meaning the code of A in UTF-16 is the same as in ASCII. This is how text is represented in a computer. That's all in this lecture. Stay tuned.